We are learning our cha-cha today, and again we are living in the world of a 4/4 time signature. When you first start the cha-cha, you're going to actually hold on count 1 and then move on 2. So the movement goes 2, 3, 4, and 1. Reason you'll often hear the cha-cha-cha, that part goes on the 4 and 1. We always start with a break, and our leader always breaks with the left foot going forward and the right foot in place to start the movement. So we step forward and places the break, and then cha-cha-cha to move backwards. Once the leader has done this, you can actually do the follower's perspective to move forward. In which case, now you break backwards with your right foot, your left foot is in place, and then you cha-cha-cha forward, going right, left, right. From there, the follower would then be able to do the leader's introductory step to be able to move forward, and you can do this back and forth. I will see you tomorrow.